For demonstrating the installation of the Walthers layout control system, we chose a Fascia location where we intend to mount the controller. For this demonstration, we're using the Fascia turnout controller. We've already drawn our center line and our proposed Fascia design. Spot the drill template's molded alignment mark directly on the center line. Secure the template and drill the appropriate size holes starting with the 3/16 drill bit to drill through the template into the layout. Removing the template, we'll use our step drill bit to enlarge the holes using a 5/16 and 7/16 step as shown on the template. Next, we sand down the drill points, and we simply mount the controller to the fascia. We'll then plug in the connecting cable from the switch machine. Here's an example of what a final fascia interface may look like once finished.